Standard 5th subject computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 10, designing tables. Tables. One of the most common formatting elements you will use in Microsoft Word are tables. Tables are a tried and true method of presenting data in rows and columns. They are very simple to insert and manipulate in Word. Secondly, you can insert table, which means you just input the number of columns and rows and how you want the column to auto-fit. If you choose fixed column width, you can select auto or you can assign a size. Alternatively, you can auto-fit columns to fit the contents or you can have the content auto-fit to the window. Tables are very effective tool of presenting data in the forms of rows and columns. A row is the horizontal series of cells and a column is a vertical series of cells. Single rectangular unit of table is called a cell. Cell is the intersection of row and column. Table can be customized and are useful for various tasks of presenting text and numerical information. Now student, we learn how we can create a table in any Word document. Position the insertion point where the table is needed. Okay. Select Insert tab, Table group, click Table and then click Insert Table. Insert Table dialog box appear. Here students, you have to type numbers of columns which you want. Okay, 5, 4, 3, anything which one you want. Then you press the tab key and then type the numbers of rows which you want and then click on the OK button. A blank table is displayed. Now student, you can fill information which one you want. Students, in your insert table, second option you have quick tables. While creating a table, you can apply the quick table styles. Different style is available. Quick table is a gallery of ready to use pre-formatted tables. To do this, first click on Insert tab. Tables group, select Quick Table. Second, select a style from the table list. And third, after previewing, select the format. The table will be formatted according to your choice. Using Draw Table. When you draw a table, the cursor is changed to a pencil and you can draw out the columns and rows. In this way, you can size the table to your liking. This tool is used to draw complicated tables where single row or column is split into multiple row and columns depending on the need and desire of the users. User can draw table with the pencil shape tool as per his requirement. Once you draw your first cell, you can then draw further cells and create the table that is more based on how you want it to look than necessarily what it requires. To draw a table, first select Insert tab. Second, click on drop down arrow of Table group and then select Draw table command. Third, mouse pointer converts into pencil shape. Start drawing the table by dragging mouse on the document work area. Converting text to table. Let's imagine you have a bunch of text and numbers and you realize that it would be easier to read if it were in neat columns and rows. Okay, not to fear. Text to table will allow you to quickly and easily convert all that data into a table that you can then format to your heart's content. In Word, you can convert text to a table. Text must be separated in column by using a comma, a tab or a paragraph marker. For example, Roshni Sharma, 10th, A, 12 Mahindra Shah, 10th, B, 24. This text we convert in the table with the help of command converting text to table. Now, first select the desired text. Second, select Insert tab. Click on drop down arrow. Third, click on Convert text to table. Converts to table dialog box appears. Confirm the information displayed in the dialog box and then click on OK button. Text gets converted into a table. Moving the insertion point in a table. Students, you can move the insertion point from one cell to the other in the table by clicking the mouse pointer in the cell, or you can press the tab key. Okay. Thank you.